Hi guys, it's Simon. Welcome to this new AI radar. Let's start. The term artificial intelligence is misunderstood not only by the public but also by technologists, writes machine learning pioneer Michael I. Jordan on Spectrum. Back in the 50s, when the term was coined, people aspired to build computing machines that possessed human-level intelligence. That aspiration still exists, he says, but what has happened in intervening decades is something different. Computers have not become intelligent per se, but they have provided capabilities that augment human intelligence, he writes. Moreover, they have excelled at low-level pattern recognition capabilities that could be performed in principle by humans, but at great cost. Machine learning-based systems are able to detect fraud in financial transactions at massive scale. For example, they are essential in the modeling and control of supply chains in manufacturing and healthcare. They also help insurance agents, doctors, educators, and filmmakers. Despite such developments being referred to as AI technology, he writes, the underlying systems don't involve high-level reasoning or thought. The systems don't form the kinds of semantic representations and inferences that humans are capable of. They don't formulate and pursue long-term goals. Forbes reports that the light matter photonic computers is 10 times faster than the fastest NVIDIA artificial intelligence GPU, while using far less energy. And it has a runway for boosting that massive advantage by a factor of 100, according to CEO Nicholas Harris. But computing isn't just about speed, it's also about energy use and heat. As everyone in technology knows, heat is a major problem impacting server farms all over the globe and limiting the speed CPUs can run at. It is not going to run on Windows. Photonic computer is low power and doesn't need cooling like existing CPUs and GPUs, and at a far greater throughput for exactly the kind of computing that are growing fast. It could just be the technology that reverses that power trend. Wired has a piece on AI for upmixing and audio recordings. For creators of sample-based music, the mixing is conceivably the greatest sonic invention, since the digital sampler that fueled the explosion of hip-hop 4 decades ago. For karaoke fans, it's a game changer. For the people of private equity firms who own the rights to classic but inferior recordings, or enthusiasts willing to wade into legal grey areas, upmixing presents a whole new way to hear the past. After decades of slow advancement, deep learning has now sent both technologies into overdrive. The uncanny valley is alive with the sound of music. TechCrunch reports that Aporia raises $5 million for its AI observability platform. Since machine learning models will simply give you wrong prediction and not throw an error, it's imperative that businesses monitor their data pipelines for these systems. That's where tools like Aporia come in. The Tel Aviv-based company today announced that it has raised $5 million seed round for its monitoring platform for ML models. The investors are Vertex Ventures and TLV partners. Aporia constantly tracks the statistical behavior of the incoming data, and when that drifts too far away from the training set, it will alert its users. One thing that makes Aporia unique is that it gives its users an almost IFTTT or Zapier-like graphical tool for setting up the logic of these monitors. Kiplinger wonders whether AI can beat the market. Traditionally powerful artificial intelligence systems that target stocks to watch have been available only to hedge funds, quant funds, and a select group of asset management firms. Daniel Capital, a financial advice company, aims to change all of that with a new analytic platform that harnesses the power of big data technology and machine learning. The idea is to help regular investors make smarter decisions with their tactical stock picks. We're talking about the probability of beating the market over the next few months or so, not days. That makes the platform useful for tactical investors, not day traders. Wired OK reports that researchers at MIT, Sloan and Boston argue that those companies poised to benefit most from artificial intelligence are those who use it to augment and shape traditional processes rather than replace them. In other words, they create an environment in which humans learn from artificial intelligence and artificial intelligence learns from humans. The toolmaker Stanley Black & Decker is one example. It has started using computer vision to check the quality of the tape measures it manufactures. The system flags defects in real time, spotting problems early in the production cycle and so reducing wastage. But humans are still on hand to inspect and make judgment calls on the worst faults. Okay guys, it's all for today. See you next time. Bye.